Hello, this is an important update video. If you value me and my content at all, please watch this video all the way to the end and do all the things so that other people can watch it as well. First of all, invitations to my new Discord server will be sent out to everybody who signed up for it tomorrow, Saturday, January 25th. If you would like to be invited to my Discord server, please see my link in Lio, which has a place where you can sign up for that. The server is called Caring, Repairing, and Rebelling, and it is the most reliable place that you can get notified about when I post something or when I live stream. There is also a channel for asking appliance-related questions, and yes, I do plan on being an active member of this online community. I don't know what the future of social media looks like, but as far as I can tell, it's not looking good. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to continue posting to places like this, which is why it's so important that you join the Discord server. Or at least my email list, which is how you sign up for the Discord server. However, I will continue posting my content to all of my platforms for as long as I'm able to, and here's why. The next few years are looking like they're going to be incredibly difficult, especially for those of us who don't fit the mold of what society deems as normal. One of the hard truths that may not have occurred to you is that, at least in my experience and the experiences of every technician that I'm aware of, because yes, there are some good ones out there, the large majority of appliance repair techs in the United States are very likely to lean towards the side that enjoys doing the Roman salute. So I know that there is a lot going on in the world right now and that there are so much more important things happening than this, but now is the time that you want to make sure that you're caring for and maintaining your appliances correctly. I want to help you do whatever you can to help prevent the need to have a complete stranger in your house to repair something. They'll be available for sale at my Blink and Lio. I tried to price them very affordably. I will be offering bundle discounts, and I'm making sure that the information provided in those troubleshooting guides is also available for free. I've already started uploading videos for the washing machine troubleshooting guide, and those are free companion videos to the digital downloads. I did it that way for those who may not be able to afford the digital downloads. If you are able to afford them, that's fantastic. I very much appreciate your support, especially in times like these when full-time content creators like myself need it the most. But if you can't, I got you. The plan is for me to continue posting those videos along with my other helpful appliance content everywhere that I'm able to for as long as I'm able to. That way, as many people from marginalized groups as possible have access to them, because I'm going to stay here to continue fighting in the ways that I'm able to for as long as I'm able to, because community is more important now than ever, and because I want to use the knowledge that I have to help keep my community safe in the ways that I can. I'm going to try making regular updates so that I can keep you all in the loop. But again, if you value me and if you value my content, please check out my Blink in Lio. Please join my email list and please sign up for my Discord server. Stay safe, stay vigilant, question authority. Love y'all.